Hi foodies, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make cracked wheat pulao or Lapshi Pulao. So this is the cracked wheat that we are going to use, and this is a vegetarian version, but you can totally use any meat of your choice or even seafood. So let's see how to make it. Come on. This recipe needs more oil for roasting the cracked wheat. This is a substitute for rice, so you can enjoy it even better. Now we need to roast the cracked wheat on medium flame for 5 minutes or until light brown and aromatic. We need to make sure to cook off the raw flavors of the ginger and garlic. Now we will start incorporating the ingredients in batches and roasting for the flavors to mix well. Take your time and keep roasting. I have kept the veggies fairly on the bigger side, so once they are cooked, we can taste them in every bite. I'm roasting these again so they have a nice texture once cooked. Saffron is for its amazing aroma. All the powders go in and you can adjust the spice as per your choice. I have equal amounts of coriander and cumin powder mixed together. I have reduced the flame so that the spices don't burn. Keep roasting for the flavors to mix well. Now here I have cubed the onions and separated the layers. Roast again for a few seconds. Now you will think these are too many veggies compared to the cracked wheat, but the wheat will fluff up and double in size once cooked. Always use hot water, and this is double the quantity of the cracked wheat. Go ahead and click the subscribe button so you won't miss out on those yummy recipes I post every week. Now the ghee will give a nice rich flavor to the pulao once it's cooked. Now this feels like a lot of water, but it will all get absorbed once cooked. Cook on low flame for 20 to 25 minutes, checking once in between. Now it looks like there is some more moisture remaining, but it will all get absorbed as you keep the pulao. Look how nicely the veggies have cooked, but are still crisp. Our cracked wheat pulao or Lapshi Pulao is ready, and you can have it as is if you like. Thank you for watching. That was such a simple recipe, right? Now I'm going to try it and let you know how it has come out. The lapshi or the cracked wheat is so soft and cooked perfectly. All the water has been absorbed. The vegetables are nice and crispy still, and it doesn't take much time. If you have everything ready, it can be done in no time. So if you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified with any new recipes I post every week. And if you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next week. Bye.